They say school teaches you how to make a living, but no one really prepares you for the choices you make along the way between what's easy and what's right. Today feel just like any other day, except I didn't know I was about to face a lesson no book ever taught, and someone I thought I'd already forgotten.
Ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa?
Wala, andito na si ma'am.
Uy! Ay, wala ka nakagawin! Saan ko? Ayun!
This section, humanities.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ginang Irene. Naglingkod si Irene.
Sino na tulog? Boy, Lord, gising na gising, ma'am! Alright, everyone. For your business ethics project, you will be selling around the campus. Yes, ma'am. So you will be grouped by 2 boys versus girls. Tingnan natin dito kung sino ang mas madali. Naiintindihan?
Yes, ma'am!
At the starting of the week, at the moment. Ate. Bumili ka po, ate. Bili ka po ba, ate? Munchkin.
Wait, magkano?
5 pesos po.
Dalawa.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Masarap na!
Presyong Divisoria.
Pasok mga suki. Presyong Divisoria. Guys, nandito kayo dito, ma'am. Dito ka, ma'am, oh. Dito ka, ma'am. Try mo to, oh. Dito dito, ma'am. Try mo to, ma'am, oh. Napaka ano na nito? Ano lang, 5 pesos. Katulad lang din to nung nagtitinda kanina. Pero mas masarap. Mas masarap. That's the sure thing, ma'am.
Dalawa.
Sige po, sige.
Dalawa.
Thank you.
Kunin mo.
Sarap talaga yung Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you so much! Ano ba to? Ba't kinamay? Parang mga walang hygiene. Sayang lang yung pera ko. Also, you did your best, no? But one of the groups forgot about the most important thing about business ethics. Girls, is it true?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Kalimutan nyo yung hygiene.
sorry po, ma'am. We're very sorry po, ma'am. Kasi nga, mas nag-focus po kasi kami na maubos yung tinda namin. Parang nakalimutan na po namin yung hygiene na part. We're so sorry po.
Very sorry po, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
You see, success without ethics isn't success at all. In business, you are not just selling food, selling trust.
Yes, ma'am.
Huwag kalimutan next time, girls.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry po, ma'am.
How about you boys?
Naubos din po yung sa amin, ma'am. Ginawa po namin lahat, especially sa hygiene.
Hindi kagaya na iba dyan, maraming nabenta without proper hygiene.
Anong problema mo sa amin?
Ba? Bitiwan mo nga ako! Nasasaktan ako! Tawan mo nga ako! Ano ba? Ano ba problema mo? Ikaw yung nasumo kay ma'am, no?
Oo!
Bakit mo ginawa yon?
Sapagkat iniibig kita, kaya nagawa ko iyon.
Pasensya ka na sa mga nagawa ko.
Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break.